we apply heat to the device to remove the battery cover. We are going to use a suction cup to open a hole. Use a ultra-thin plastic card to soften the adhesive. We remove the back cover. We remove two screws. Now let's remove the metal bracket. Now we lose the connector of the fingerprint sensor scanner Touch ID. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all we have to remove the battery flex. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. Using a plastic tool, let's remove the battery. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. The device is working.